Organic Shorts.
Oh, yeah.
Howdy, folks. We're going to talk about isomers in this organic short. So, an isomer is something that has it's two molecules that have the same molecular formula, but they have different structures. So, if we look down at these couple of different structures here, we have one, two, three, four carbons, and one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight hydrogens. So, the actual structure of these guys here is that we have C4H8. C4H8 is the actual structure of these guys that we have here. And so looking at these molecules here, all of them have the exact same molecular formula, but you can see that the double bond moves different locations. And as a result, we actually get different names as well. I mean, easily the most interesting too would be how do we go from one butene to cyclobutane or to methyl cyclopropane, and we end up with the same structure. It's pretty fascinating, pretty wild that all of these have the same C4H8 structure. So when you're drawing isomers, there's a couple of really easy steps that you can follow. One is to draw the longest continuous chain possible. So if we're looking at the C5H12, we'd want to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like such. We want to draw those ones there. And then once we've drawn those 5 there, we'll add in each of our little hydrogens here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 right there. And then what we would want to do following that, the next step that we'd want to take along this line is to remove one carbon from the parent chain at a time and attach it as a methyl group. So if we wanted to draw a structural isomer for this, what we'd want to do is do this, copy paste that. So if we wanted to draw a structural isomer, what I would do with this is I would remove this last carbon here and attach it somewhere on the molecule as a methyl group. So we'd move this guy over here and we'd put this as a CH3 like such. And then we'd have to add in a hydrogen at the end there. And then boom, we have a structural isomer. So what we have here on this left-hand side, we removed a bunch of these things, which is not good. What we have here on the left-hand side is you can see that we have this functional group here. What you can see on the left-hand side is we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have actually just a pentane. That's what we have. And then on the right-hand side, we can see that we have a 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have a butane. And what we actually have as well is we have a 2-methyl. 2-methyl butane. And that is how you draw structural isomers, as well as one example. I hope you enjoyed and hope you found this video interesting.